Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great day, good day, good day, great day. Today is Wednesday. We are going to do our weekly market update to see what's going on with our pairs. So let's get into it. All right. So on Sunday, we talked about what may be happening so far going on with the week. We're going over Euro USD. I said that I still think that she will sell, and that's exactly what she's been doing. Um, so today, um, we actually had news, which was CPI, and it was some major news that took place. One of the CPI ended up being less than what was forecast. And tomorrow, this coming up, we actually have core PPI 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, so be careful for that. Also at 7 a.m., GBP has a lot of news that is taking place, so be careful, guys, for what's coming up. All right, so this is on a daily time frame. I did say that we are still selling. She is hitting this resistance area. Oh my gosh, hold on. That we have right here. It's like she doesn't want to break this. There you go. Oh my gosh, every time I do that. Yeah, she doesn't want to break this area here. What we're looking for. So some of the trades that was placed. Let's do it right here. So if you did held on to that one trade that I had as a buy, 30 pips in profit. So that actually took TP. I'm just gonna use a new one because this arrow doesn't want to work for me. All right. And then she came down and she sold. So if you did take that, you are currently in profit. Well, she did come down 66 pips, and she came back. She looks like she's hitting our current. She's just doing a retracement to continue to sell. We'll see what happens because we do also have news that is still taking place. But she did follow our structure like to the T, guys, to the T. She came down, she retraced. That's what we wanted, and she sold down. Make sure that whatever that you're going for in the market, you get what you get and you get out. You don't have to take this long of a trade because this will take some days, maybe even weeks if you want to hold it all the way down to the CP that I do have there. All right. We don't talk about US 30, so I'm not going over that. We're not going over NAS or SPX because those are indices. Oh, hold on. I do want to talk about this right quick because with news, was it this one? Well, this one actually tagged me in and she went up, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted to talk about US 30. If you do trade US 30, my I had this buy. I was ready because I seen it happen, and I'm like, all this is going to fill this area here. CPI news took place at 9 o'clock. I had my wick, my buy stop here actually, and she didn't get me in, and I'm like, I missed the trade. Don't you hate that? But it's cool. I did profit off of others as well. All right, so USD JPY. If you did hold from last week, if you just held it, she did actually currently hit TP on here. which was 103 pips. But we missed the sell entry. She actually didn't come all the way up into our 50 to 60%. Um, but if you did, this is a 4 hour time frame. So if you went on to like a 1 hour time frame, if you're trading, you may have could have seen the setup take place. This is the sell, the bearish indication here, bearish candle. It took place. This is the retrace. News took place, and she sold down. Okay. I'm not for sure she will come back up, but we will see. GBP I think last week we had this buy set up, which I really like. She hit 201 pills. It did take her a minute though just to get there. Monday she did hit TP. I was like, okay, she's gonna sell. Did get a sell off on that was a quick 80 pips actually, because I stopped my stop loss short. No, sorry, 64 pips that took place. And then she came back and she brought it back up so she can make a perfect information. I really feel like this may be a buy area. We are in the 50 to 60 percentile, so she can go up. 1 second so we can see. All right, so let's talk about USD CAD. Of course, we've already gained TPs on here, so let me just scoot this out the way. I was like, okay, I feel like she's going to buy on here. This is what I talked about. But y'all, my stop loss, I actually got into this trade when it tagged me in. I think it tagged me in here. The first entry was right here, but then I should have put my stop loss, and I know we talk about this in the Candlestick Bible. We should have put it under, a little bit right here, based off that bullish inside bar candlestick pattern. But I didn't put my stop loss, and I actually got stopped out. But if you were able to re-enter, you did re-enter, and we are currently still in profit right now. I really feel like she wants to fill this 50 to 60%. But we also do have news, so be very careful, guys. Uh, CAD, I'm still waiting. CAD, Swiss franc. Hold on, let me pull this up some. So I want her to come down so we can be able to enter the buy. The buy has not happened for me yet. The buy setup, but this may be a possible good sell off. But um, I don't teach you guys to counter trend, so that would be something that you would want to risk on your own. Did spot still going crazy, but she looks like she is one to buy up so she can continue down. Yeah. All right, so currently what is happening here, if you did miss the sell setup that took place right here, I really feel like this is nothing but the retracement. We have the bearish inside bar candle that took place. Um, I really feel like she just retested. She may not come back to our actual entry here, but whenever you feel comfortable with getting in, you can be able to get in, get your points, sorry, your pips that you need, and get out. You do not have to actually currently hold her if you do not want to. Um, all right. USD JPY, I think overall I had, yeah, that sale, we missed that sale, guys. We missed that sale. So. Either we get a retracement and we can continue to go down, or we get some type of confirmation. Right now, we can't do anything on a 4 hour time frame because the move is already made. Unless she wants to stop right here, I have a 4 hour key level, support and resistance level. Either she wants to stop, makes a support, and then we'll go up, or she wants to continue to go down. But if you didn't get in, or if you missed that move is already has happened. Um, oh wait, that was two. Let's see, 4 hour time frame. I really feel like GBP, JPY. We also do have a lot of news. I really feel like she's going to continue to go down. Um, maybe to complete, maybe not all the way here, but to 168 area. So if you did get into that sale, she sold, but let's see if we can get in another entry for a sale. We'll probably have to wait to the retracement. Um, she may not come to the 50 to 60%. And I'm so sorry if you guys hear talking in the background. My son is just, hey, whatever. Life happens. Here is. I'll be okay with 168.030. I want her to try to come back up if we could get it, and then continue to go down. That's over a 3-and-1 risk to reward. 62 points. I mean, sorry, 62 pips to make 213. Let's see, USD CAD, we're still in our buy. This may be actually a great entry for a buy. I want to look on the lower time frames to see if you can be able to enter. Please enter at your own risk. I do not call any live trades. So that would be based off your risk and your risk management. Make sure that you are using your tools. If you need help with risk management, babypips.com has the position size calculator. Input your account balance, the risk that you want to take, your stop loss, choose your pair. Index has a different one. So I'll share that if you, sorry, if you have any index traders. But if you are an index trader, you should already have that because that ain't no joke to play with. Yeah, that was a good buy. The buy is actually happening now. Get your pips, get out. We are currently up only 14. Oh, she's going down right now. Uh, we're only up 14 pips, so and put that stop loss. I'll put that stop loss here. 38, 135. A little bit over is our 2-to-1 risk to reward. All right. So that's what I have so far for what is going on in the market. Guys, we do have some major news that's taking place again. Let me reiterate. Um, um, GBP 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. and then 8:30 Eastern Standard Time a.m. core PPI. Um, for those who do not follow me, make sure that you're following me, Merida Goddess 22, on all of your social media platforms. I'm so sorry about that. Um, well, all your social media platforms. And if you cannot find me on YouTube, you may have to search me by my name, which is, come on, this is my name here, guys. Make sure you follow me. All right. Well, you guys have a wonderful Wednesday and a great rest of your week as well. Um, We will be gearing back up to go over the Candlestick Bible, just implementing those strategies that he gave us when we're marking up some live charts. And let's see if we could take some, not take live trades, because I will not call out live trades, but just see how our setups are taking place. Feel free to take anyone based off the strategies. So that's gonna gear up starting next week. If you have kids, we are almost done with kids in the South. We are almost done with school, guys. I've been in school all week, and I still have 2 more days to go at helping out with the school. But it's really great. If you are a teacher, happy Teachers Appreciation Week. We definitely appreciate you for all of your hard work that you do, and taking care of our kids and teaching them correctly. Once again, my name is Mara the Goddess 22. I also said on my last video or last couple of videos that I will be helping 5 to 7 moms. If you are that mom, I still have that opportunity to be open. And this will actually go on until the end of the month, because by June we're going to be starting to gear up. So please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Facebook, or you can reach out to me, or you can just put it in the comments, and I'll reach out to you, or however we're going to do it. But you'll reach out to me. All right. See you later.